Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your signature on Docusign in 2025. Whether you want a new look or just need to update your digital signature, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and easy. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to update your signature in no time. First, let's start by accessing Docusign. Open your preferred web browser and go to docusign.com. Once there, click the Login button at the top right and enter your credentials. This will take you to your homepage or dashboard. Next, locate your profile icon on the upper part of the screen. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Profile. This is where you can adjust all your personal settings, including your signatures. Now, in the Profile Management window, find the Signatures option and click on it. You'll see a list of any signatures you've previously saved. To make a change, click the Actions button next to the signature you want to update and select Edit. Here comes the fun part, customization. You can draw your signature with your mouse or trackpad, type it and choose from several stylish fonts, or even upload a digital version if you already have one. Take a moment to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with your new signature, don't forget to hit Save. That's it. Your updated signature is now ready to use on all your future documents. DocuSign will automatically apply this new signature whenever you sign, and there you have it. Changing your signature on DocuSign is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.